Hello, welcome to HiBiz News. This is Kranti Muddam. Russia, the world's largest country by area, has always been very special in international issues. And today, when the world is on the threat of corona pandemic, with more number of countries racing for the vaccine towards the coronavirus, with more number of countries racing for a vaccine to the COVID-19 virus, Russia on Tuesday claimed that it has developed the world's first COVID vaccine offering sustainable immunity against the coronavirus. President Vladimir Putin on Tuesday said that Russia had become the first country in the world to grant regulatory approval to a COVID-19 vaccine, and which was named as Sputnik V after less than 2 months of human testing. The vaccine still has to complete final trials, raising concerns among some experts at the speed of its approval, but the Russian business conglomerate Systema has said it expects to put into mass production by the end of the year. Russia became the first country to grant regulatory approval to the COVID-19 vaccine, and the vaccine was named as Sputnik V. The name Sputnik is famous for the Russians and the world, as Sputnik was the name of the world's first artificial satellite launched by the Soviet Union and which paved a way to the space race between US and USSR. Mr. Vladimir Putin said the vaccine works quite effectively and forms a stable immunity against COVID-19. The vaccine was tested on one of his daughters and she was feeling well. The vaccine was developed by Moscow's Gamaleya Institute in collaboration with the country's defense ministry. The vaccine led to distrust regarding its safety and effectiveness since it is being approved for use without completing the clinical trials. The fact that the vaccine has been cleared without phase 3 human trials, even the phase 1 and the phase 2 trials have been rushed, all of it being completed within 2 months. The World Health Organization has already cautioned Russia earlier rushing through with its vaccine. Russia Health Ministry, however, said though clinical trials were not yet complete and final stage testing involving more than 2,000 people was to start, it says it might take some more time becoming generally accessible, especially to people outside Russia. The vaccine is likely to get into production immediately. Apart from the facility at the Gamaleya Institute, the vaccine will also get manufactured by Systema, which is a big Russian business house. In a statement on Tuesday, Systema will send the vaccine ready for the use of doctors first and later healthcare workers who are at high risk of infection. However, the Systema facility has a capacity to produce only 1.5 million doses of vaccine in a year, a woefully inadequate quantity considering that the immediate global demand is of billions of doses. As a result, Russia's capability to serve the demand in other countries looks severely limited. Whenever a vaccine has to be approved, especially in a country like India, it has to take the necessary permissions from the Indian regulatory system of the drugs and vaccines. The Indian regulatory system requires at least late phase human trials to be conducted. The Indian regulatory system requires the last phase human trials to be conducted on the local population before any vaccine or drug developed in other countries is approved for use in India. This is because any vaccine generally works differently on different age groups, as the immune system of every individual may not be the same. This shows that if the vaccine has to get approved in India, it has to complete the phase 2 and the phase 3 trials on Indian volunteers. This is the process that was recently followed in the case of vaccine which was being developed by Oxford University and AstraZeneca. At least 8 candidate vaccines being developed in India. 2 of these have entered the phase 2 trials after completing the phase 1. The vaccines are only given to the children these days, but for novel coronavirus, everyone needs to be vaccinated. The risk of using a vaccine on such a large number of people without having conducted large scale trials are much higher. In the case of Russian vaccine, the safety of the vaccine is uncertain as the late phase trials are not conducted. Thank you for watching HiBiz News.